Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're at an apartment that is very close to Taipei Building MRT, and you can also walk to NTNU and the Shida Night Market. So behind us is the apartment. It's on the 5th and 6th floor, and so this is the road. From this side you walk for 2 to 3 minutes, you can get to Taipei Building MRT. Alright, so we're now at the 5th floor of the apartment. So this is the apartment, big common area, big living room, 4 bedrooms, and a kitchen. So when you walk in, there's a place you can change your shoes, and big windows over here, and a fridge right here, freezer, fridge, and on top is the microwave. Okay, so this apartment, there's a big living room, like big sofa over here, and awesome decoration, and a coffee table, and projector. And so here's a screen, and a coffee table, and chairs, 2 chairs, and lamp. There's a bar table and bar chair over here, and this is a mirror. Let's start from room A. It's room A over here. Alright, so it's a double bedroom. Here's a standard double bed, open wardrobe, and a mirror, and shelves, a big desk and chair, and a lamp. Right here is there's an AC and a private balcony. Okay, it is your private balcony. From this angle, so beside it is the kitchen. It's a full kitchen. Some bowls, cups, and a kettle, and 2 stoves and stove fan. Right here is the washer. Okay, let's check out the living room from this angle as well. Okay, next to the kitchen is the shared bathroom. Alright, sink and toilet and a shower head right here, and big window, so good fresh air. Let's check out room C. This is a master bedroom with your own private bathroom and balcony. So perfect. So there's a standard double bed, 2 desks, a lamp, and a window AC, and big mirror over there. Here's a wardrobe, carpet. And here is your private bathroom. Toilet, shelves, and a window here. Okay, here's a shower, sink. Here, there's a mirror. Okay. Okay, so this is the balcony. You can dry your clothes here, or just hang out here. So it's a very good sunny day. From this angle. Right. And right here is room D. It's a quiet single bedroom. There's a single bed, a desk and a chair, and there's a window, AC, and a closet. Okay. Mirror right here. Okay. Seems someone just moved in to room B, so we're not filming it today. So, alright, that's it. That's it for this apartment. Thank you. Okay, so we're now on the 6th floor. This is the extension of the apartment from the 5th floor. Okay, so there are 3 bedrooms and living rooms in this apartment. Here is the living room area and room 1, 2, and right here is the kitchen and the master bedroom and a common bathroom. Okay, so let's start from the living area. So here's is the living room. So there is very large window and a big couch, coffee table, and a bar chair and bar table right over here. And some shelves over there. Let's see this room first. Okay, this is a double bedroom with a standard double bed, AC, a little shelf, and a big open wardrobe over here, and a desk and a chair, and right here is the mirror. Okay, and also good sunlight and big window for this room. Okay. And here is another room, the second room. Okay, so it is a single bedroom with a single bed and AC, big desk and chair, shelves and open wardrobe over here, and another wardrobe here. Alright, and this is the window that leads to the hallway. Okay. So let's see from this angle. Single bed, okay. Okay, so this is room I. And the first one is room F. Right. So let's check out the kitchen. So the kitchen area is right here. This is sink. Okay. And a little stove, microwave, water, and fridge, freezer, some shelves over here, alright, so beside it is, okay, so this is the shared bathroom. Alright, so the sink, okay, and the mirror and the toilet. Right here is the washer and a shower head, some shelves, and the big window. Okay, very bright. Right here is the master bedroom with your own private bathroom. It's quite spacious. There's a double bed and a big couch over here, and a desk and a chair. Right here is the closet. Big closet, embedded, and a window AC. You also have a mirror here, and here is the balcony. Right here, this is the your bathroom. Okay, so toilet right here, and sink. Right, and shower is right here. And over here is the balcony, private balcony for this room, for you to hang and dry your clothes, or just hang out. Here is the water heater over here. So from this angle. Okay, good. All right, that's it.